mit dem Stichwort Alphaville. Und jetzt exklusiv im Riverboat haben wir eine Premiere. Marian mit einer Kammermusikversion seines Welthits Sounds Like a Melody.
It's a trick of my mind to faces bathing in this green light. She's so soft and warm in my arms. I tune it into the scene, my hands are resting on her shoulders. When we're dancing away for a while, oh, we're moving, we're falling, we step into the fire. By the hour of the wolf in a midnight stream, there's no reason to worry. Just start that brand new story, set it alight. We're head over heels in love, head over heels. The ring of your laughter, it sounds like a melody. To uncertain places we go for a while. The ring of your laughter, it sounds like a melody. To uncertain places we go for a while. It's a definite show of shadows resting in the moonlight. It's so clear and bright in your eyes. It's the touch of your sighs, my lips are resting on your shoulder. When we're moving so soft and slow, we need the ecstasy, the jealousy, the comedy of love, like the Cary Grants and Kellys once before. Give me more tragedy, more harmony of fantasy, my dear. Satellite, start that satellite, satellite. The ring of your laughter, it sounds like a melody. To uncertain places we go for a while. The ring of your laughter, it sounds like a melody. To uncertain places we go for a while.
Wow, war das schön. Also das war so fantastisch. Oh, mir ist jetzt ganz heiß. Das war ganz toll. Also ich zeige das jetzt bitte nochmal. Wo ist meine Kamera? Hier.